Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Seoul, Korea. I'm gonna take you guys to the Gundam Base at iPark Mall. Right after you exit Yongsan Station, just head to exit 1. And right away, you see the entrance to iPark Mall. We're heading up to the 6th floor. I actually came here years ago before this Gundam Base relocated. It used to be right over there, where that tree is now. And this Tamiya store used to be where the Gundam Base is now. Wow, this Gundam Base has expanded so much. Today we're at the Gundam Base at iPark Mall in Korea. This isn't just a Gundam Base, it's more like a Bandai Megastore. And it's just shelves after shelves of Gunpla. "30 minutes mission kits. Blind boxes. Crystal 3D puzzles. Figures. And eventually, you reach the Gashapon area. The cashier in the middle looks like a spaceship. And if you look closely at the displays, all those red tags are the sold out items. They even have the BN head, but I'm way more interested in those Gashapon machines. You guys always ask me, did I get anything from Gundam Base? But honestly, it's really hard to get anything because everything is always sold out. Just look at those sold out tags. There's barely anything left to grab here. There's also a Tamashii Nation session inside the store. I really like his Gundam Base uniform. This is the card game session. Some One Piece card game. And so many of these Gundam Assemble sets here. These Gunpla-kun keychains are so cute, only about $10. From larger scales to smaller kits, most of them are sold out. They've also got a few Ichiban Kuji kiosks here. On the other side of the store is all Gashapon machines, and it's definitely the busiest area. These machines are so random. Look, they even have mini Gashapon machines. And here's the bigger one. Finally found some Gunpla and Gunpla-kun. Hey, look at these mini Gundam weapons magazines. They're so cute. Okay, let me see what I can get. $7 isn't too bad. Alright, let me try my luck again. Right outside the store, there's a pop-up event going on. If you buy nippers, you can join a free building experience. These nipper sets are great for beginners. Found the Good Smile Company store on the same floor. And a Kotobukiya store right next to the Ichiban Kuji place. A whole bunch of girl kits. Megami Device, Frame Arms Girl, Akana Dia, Megalo Maria. Hope I didn't mess up any of those names. Honestly, I don't even know half of them. And so many people at these Ichiban Kuji kiosks. I guess these are all the prizes you can win. This Banpresto store has tons of anime figures. Does anyone know who these characters are? This cafe looks really nice. They've got their own merch and a selfie area. And the food and drinks actually look really good too. And there's some other random stores around here. Always enjoy being here at night. It's been a long day and I'm starving. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.